In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Tasty Daily, that's grocery store and food WooCommerce theme. Use link in description to get the theme. Use our affiliate link in description to purchase this theme. After purchasing this theme, you go straight to our dashboard. There is my dashboard. Then I go to appearance. Here is the default theme. So next, because I have gotten my theme, I click on add new theme, and the theme I got is on my system, that's on my laptop. So I click on upload theme, select file, so I click on choose file. Okay, here is it. Then I click on open, install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next I click on activate. If this video is helpful, use the link in the description to hire me to help you install the script. Then next I put my purchase code here. After putting my purchase code, I click on continue. So it's of this elemental installing the theme. So next, let me click on install site theme. And it's successfully set up. Let me click on continue. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Use the affiliate link in description to purchase this theme. Okay, this one is still installing. Import demo. Available only to register theme. Because I didn't register the theme, so I won't be able to import the demo. So let me just go to my site. Let me see how it looks like. I click on this, open it in a new tab. Here is it. But because I didn't import the demo, I was unable to see it as it is from here, like this. Because this is just a demo. This is the main site. From here I can now customize it if I want to look at as it is, as I want it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Also, if this video is helpful, use link in description to buy me coffee. Thank you.